Oops, you taught the name of the letter to your little one, that this says F, instead of the letter sound, that this says F. And now, despite the fact that your little one can sing the ABC song like a champ, they can't read because they're going F-A-T, F-A-T, instead of F-at, fat. Now don't panic, because your child will need to know those letter names eventually. But the first thing we need to do is start teaching them those sounds so we can get them reading. And here's what I recommend. Try connecting the letter sounds to the letter names they already know. More than half of the letter names have the sounds in them, so these are going to be the easiest sounds for you to start with. These ones over here, the letter name does not sound like the letter sound, so these are going to be a little bit harder. To make the connection for your little one, ask these two questions. What's the name of this letter? That's right, it is F. Now what sound does F say? And once your little one has mastered these easier sounds, you can move over and start working on some of the harder sounds. After they know their letter sounds, they're going to be ready to start reading.